Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone 17 Pro Max that will not turn on or it does not turn on for you. You want to follow these steps to quickly fix it and get it back on working. So let's get started. Now you are going to follow this method, which is you are going to be quickly pressing and releasing the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down button one after another in a sequence, and then hold on to the side button until the screen shows Apple logo. So again, I'm going to be doing this volume up, volume down, and then I press and hold on to that side button just like that, and I'm going to be keep on holding until I see the Apple logo, and then I will let go the side button. Keep in mind you want to try this method for a few times until you can get it. And when you are doing it, what I would recommend is beforehand to charge your phone at least 30 minutes or keep it charging while you are doing this method. And what you should notice is something came up on the screen. Whether it's a dead battery or the phone loading up, it will be a good sign. If it's a dead battery, just let it charge and it will automatically turn on. And if you see the Apple logo, great, let it just simply restart itself. And this is known as a force restarting. You can do it as many times as you need without losing any of your data. And again, all I did was quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then you hold on to that side button just like that. And if your phone was dead, there is a black screen and it won't turn on, you will follow these steps. It will hopefully work for you. And this is Apple #1 troubleshooting step when it comes to fixing any software related issues or even some hardware related issue. I hope your phone is fixed and now it will be working. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone 17 on iOS 26. We will see you guys in the next time. Peace.